You hear that noise? That's rain. Turn this on because I'm sitting here trying to do my homework for my Friday due date. And I think lightning struck the building across the street or something. It was loud. So I'm just going to set this on the desk and see if we have some fun here in the near future. Of course, I'm making video editing work for myself, but whatever. Yay for Photoshop and rendering and SketchUp. And I bet the only thing this thing sees is my power cord. I could dim the lights, but then I need to work, so. That's nothing. Just wait. So hey, I think I'm going to save this image that I rendered this time, instead of just moving on to the next rendering without saving it. Scene 1. Yay, that was easy. I should have turned the lights down. I saw that flash against my wall. I knew it was coming. Cool. I don't need the air conditioner on. Yeah, this might be worth going up to the window. Can you see me? I don't know. Probably not. Hey, let's get adventurous. Open a window. Oh man, that's gonna be loud. Whee! Party time. Yep. I can't believe I haven't heard those last two. Cool. I bet it looks really cool on the roof, but I'm kind of not into being a human lightning rod. Can you read that? Oh God. That blinded me. I was like looking into a strobe light. Whoa, this is right above my building. I'm just gonna be quiet. I'm talking over the whole point of this. But for... yeah, that was on camera. Oh my God, I just felt that in my chest. Wow. And it's raining harder. I was gonna go walk to get dinner too. This is kind of as crappy as it is awesome. Let's see if I can get this in. Can you see above that white building? It says Pullman in bright white letters. So I moved from next door. Good God. Okay, I guess that. There it goes. I moved from next door to Pullman, Washington, 5,000 miles away in Idaho, to having a sign that says Pullman glowing in... Jesus. Oh, I made the right choice to get the camera. This is what it's like almost every time there's a thunderstorm here, too. Oh, that was bright. Can't open my window much more than that. Ah, rain is making its way inside. I really hope this is still filming. I did take one and it turned off in 30 seconds, but light's still blinking. It's so tempting to go on the roof, but I know it's just a really stupid idea. I have a waterproof case for this camera. I don't have a lightning-proof case for my body, though. Yeah, most certainly not the tallest thing on Earth. Or, well, that's obvious. But I wouldn't be the tallest thing out there if I was... Oh, shit. If I was on the roof. Yeah. That one that I said I felt the sound in my chest. I'm pretty sure that struck the building that says Pullman. Alright, is that good enough? Probably. Yeah. I got imagery to generate for school, so... Good God. Yeah. Hold the camera while you... So that was fun. Wow, 8 minutes later. I'm gonna try to do homework. This is really distracting though.